Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different. Just walking and talking, no fancy setup, no sitting at a desk, just a real raw vlog as we move. Right now we're in downtown Miami, the historic district. I feel like some of the best conversations happen when you're just out walking, right? Something about moving makes everything feel more natural. So today I wanted to share some thoughts on vlogging, why it's awesome, why it's challenging, and maybe even tips if you're thinking about starting your own. Vlogging is such a cool way to document your life. It's like keeping a journal, but instead of writing, you're capturing the moments in the real time. Plus, you get to connect with people all over the world. People who vibe with your content and your personality. And honestly, it helps you get comfortable on camera. When I first started, I felt so awkward. But the more you do it, the easier it gets. Walking while vlogging, that's another level though. Dodging people, making sure I don't trip. Definitely multitasking. Definitely multitasking, that's for real. But so, let's be real. Vlogging isn't always easy. First, you have to get over the fear of talking to a camera in public. People will stare. Some might even ask what you're doing. The key, just own it. Most people are just curious, and honestly, they forget about you in like 5 seconds afterward. Then there's this whole editing process. What you're seeing right now, this probably took a few hours to put together. Cutting out awkward pauses, adding music, making sure it actually flows. But hey, that's a part of the process. And if you love it, it doesn't feel like work. And that's for real. It doesn't feel like work when you enjoy doing this stuff. So I hope you also seen some of the historic downtown. So if you're thinking about starting a vlog, here are a few quick tips that I got to share with y'all. 1, start with what you have. Don't need a fancy camera. Your phone works just fine. Now 2, be yourself. People connect with authenticity, not perfection. The 3rd one, keep it moving. Whether you're walking like this or just switching your angles, movement keeps things engaging. 4, tell a story. Even if it's just a day in the life, try to have something, a beginning, middle, and an end. So all right, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this vlog off here. If you enjoyed this vlog, let me know in the comments. Should I do more of these types? You're a vlogger yourself. I'd love to check on what you are creating. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. And one more thing, don't forget to comment because I'm counting on the engagement. Well, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.